Today we're going to be doing, we're going to be shooting these targets with Nerf guns, which are right there, shown by yet again my dad. You may say hello.
Hello.
Okay, but yeah, we have to shoot these targets. But now, instead of 10, it's 15 times in 5 minutes, yet again showed by the 5 in the corner. We'll try to do that for, like, every number we have that doesn't go against gravity for the rest of these, starting at the last one. So, you can put your phone for the timer. So, yeah. Okay, let's begin. Oh, and by the way, we are 8 feet away, approximately 8 feet. Okay, let's go. Starting off with a bang. Literally. Starting off with a bang. Okay, we need better guns that don't reload as much and are quicker. Oh my god. There's been 2 Nerf bullets that landed at my feet already. Ah, come on. Oh. Also, make sure to like and subscribe.
You said 15 times?
Yeah, 15 times. Okay, but yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, or just any video in general, because it supports us, and it basically gets us closer to being able to get money from YouTube and helping my family just live. Make sure to check out the other 2 episodes of the Nerf gun challenge, I think it's called. So yeah, stay tuned. We're going to do as many episodes as we can so we can pop up on the algorithm. Come on. Really want to be a loser and just go back off? Coward, Mr. Jim Billy. I'm just speaking at this point. Oh. 2 minutes left, and we're at 6. Ooh, this is actually harder than I thought. Come on, let's go. We gotta get hype. I'm just saying anything at this point. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
That Nerf ball just attacked us.
There you go.
8. Oh, is that one broken or what? It's leaning forward a little bit. Did we break one? Because the left one's leaning forward.
You're the rather imperious one.
Yeah,
What happened?
Yeah, what happened? Oh my gosh, a bullet just landed in my lap. Oh my god. We popped off. You know, these videos are gonna be quite. What do you mean? Like, we did 4 extra last time, and now we can barely even do 10.
And they're coming back.
Yeah, they just really are trying to be fair, oh my gosh, it just did it again. They're just cowards.
Oh, there we go.
Ha ha. Okay, we gotta lock in. Lock in.
back.
Just
They're coming
stop
back.
being cowards, Mr. or Mrs. or Dave. Oh my gosh. We have 30 seconds left. At least get 11. Like, at least 11. That would be preferable. Just wanted. Okay, we got 11. What do you... He killed. He died. He died. He died. We killed him.
Oh, we have to keep it down now.
We killed one. We killed him. Okay.
No.
Okay. Hey, at least we got 11. Okay, that's gonna be it of this one. We kill the target thing. We just commit murder. So, yeah, that's gonna be the end of this one. So, hope you enjoyed.